Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. As always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's talk about AITX. Okay, so I alerted AITX. I was like, hey, added another K here at 002A. I don't care about slapping the bid or ask. It doesn't matter. My motto is literally slap that big ask. So I jumped in with another K. I have a good amount in there, not 10K still. I usually accumulate it as it goes, as the days go by. But unfortunately, it looks like we might be getting ready for another move to 0034 and beyond. And I say that because of the impending crossover on the MACD on the daily. RSI has cooled down. We're going sideways on the weekly MACD as well. And we've been going sideways since 2023 here at this level. So we have a 100% win rate on this one, and we've just been abusing the bottom. So you guys should not be losing if you're taking profits. Whether it's 20, 80%, whatever. You should have, if you follow this channel and only watch AITX, you should only have literally you should not have lost at least. You shouldn't have lost ever since 2023. That's crazy. I think we're going to get another pump. There's potential for 20 to 35%. If it gets another big move like last time, there's potential for, let me see. Oops. There's potential for 100% almost. So I've been telling people AITX is the one to jump into. Sybil right now, we'll see what happens with that one, but might be the one I take a loss and give back the literal gains that I made on these two pumps. So that's fine. It's going to happen. But AITX has shown and proven itself to be very reliable when it comes down to that 002.6 to 8 area. So might as well keep abusing that one. Sybil, if it breaks down so long, you're out of my watch list and out of my life, just like IBIS. It's actually kind of sad that after 4 years of running this channel, AITX comes out to be one of the most abusable and reliable stocks. And that's incredible. That's great. And I hope everyone's making money. There's no way you should be losing at this point. I don't know what they would have to do for this to drop below 0028 or even 0020. I don't know what they would have to do. We know they dilute. Their transparency is great. I really have nothing bad to say. It's a moneymaker. But it's kind of weird because I remember back in 2022, 2021, people from Sybil and Isla's Discord were saying AITX was trash. And ultimately, it might be AITX who comes out on top in the long term. I remember that. So it's just funny to see how it all comes full circle. The irony. Anyways, AITX Red continues its rapid growth with multiple unit expansion order from major national construction firm. They received a significant expansion order from one of the country's largest construction companies, headquartered in Michigan. Let me go to the AITX Discord real quick. Have not checked out what they're up to. This order includes 2 Rio, and each is equipped with SARA licenses, so they should be making more money off of these two, I assume. As I assume that's extra. Reinforcing job site security, enhancing operational oversight across multiple locations. Is this just the beginning, the pilot program, and then they're going to add more? Is that what I'm assuming? Because it just includes 2, right? The multi-decadal construction firm. I like that they're not naming the company, but they're just kind of hinting at it. Hey, the multi-decade-old construction firm. I probably could just look it up or ask ChatGPT, but I'm pretty sure these guys in the Discord already figured it out because they're not that dumb. they're not that dumb. They're not dumb. If they're dumb, they'd buy Sybil like I do. It's just better to stick to AITX at this point. Let's see. Oh, so it is, okay, DSI Security Services, Forefront of Technology. So what, so they found it, DSI, is that? Because I was about to look it up, but I'm like, wait a minute. They would find, the AITX Discord would find it. So is that it, DSI? Is it? No, I don't know. I'm confused now. But anyways, the multi-decadal construction sales radar. It's 2022. So the client initially purchased one Rio 360 and two standalone Rosa units in late January 2025 to evaluate their effectiveness, and then they're expanding. Okay, so yeah, I figured. So this is just the beginning. We're going to get more of these as time goes by. So the revenue should also reflect that in the future. Like, we know the stock so well that whenever they get a sales, we know, like, oh no, there's more coming. This is just something to, just to get started. Yeah, once a client deploys our technology and experiences its impact, expansion follows. Yeah, we've noticed. We can tell because you're very transparent. So that should again be reflected in the revenue. I expect the revenues to be higher this year versus last year, at least year over year. I would hope so, especially with all the work they essentially spent all of 2024 setting up for a big 2025. That should also set up the stock for some more pumps and bigger pumps. That's what I'm expecting, at least. I mean, I haven't been wrong yet, so. Not to be cocky, but come on, man, 100% win rate. I'm not cheating, I swear. Let's see. Yeah, I'm big on Sarah. I figured clients would love Sarah. I'm still skeptical about the RadCam, the residential cameras. I look forward to their numbers on that, if they're ever going to release it. But hopefully they have more buys than they do reviews, basically. And I think that's it. That's it for the PR. So yeah, it's the usual, guys. You know the drill. It's down here, nice and cheap. Buy it. It pumps. Take your profit. Let's continue our 100% win rate streak. And I would be floored if Steve Reinhardt doesn't watch my videos, or he himself has someone in his ear telling him, "Hey, your stock is a buy." Like, I don't know why he should be whispering to someone, his friends, like, "AITX is a buy. You didn't hear it from me." You know what I'm saying? like I'm surprised I shouldn't. Maybe he does do that. I don't know. But I would totally be like that. I'd be like, "Hey, AITX is a buy, okay? Just don't tell him that I said this, but it's a buy. It's back at 0026. Don't worry, it's gonna pump soon." I don't know why this stock does what it does. People have asked me, how do you know that it's gonna pump? How are you so confident when it comes back down? And I tell people, I don't know, but it always pumps when it comes down to 0026, 28. It always just holds there. Sure, it might come down lower, but it still ends up pumping big anyways. Like, it still moves 20 to 50 or 80% or more. So it's just believing, really. Believing in the stock, believing in the company and its transparency and its ability to close sales and get some good PRs out there that cause the stock to move. Because we know out of 100 PRs, 7 of them move the stock, 7%. So I would expect, let me see. Yeah, I would expect about 6 to 7 pumps this year. So that's I did the math for you guys already. I'm not going to do it again. Just buy down here, take your flip, rinse and repeat. And I've said this before. All you need is one stock to get rich. But people, unfortunately, they like to jump around like rabbits. And I even made in the Discord, I told everyone, hey, I'm doing a 2K 100% win rate challenge. Which sounds crazy, but I'm like, hey, if your account is less than 2K, there's no reason you shouldn't just be trading NVIDIA, getting 100% win rate and winning 80 to 240 a month. The 100% win rate challenge is to prove that all you need is one stock, good positioning on the daily, and because you never lose, you only grow. Combine that with a steady job, because believe it or not, some people come to me with, like, millennials living with their parents with no job and 500 to their name telling me, hey, I want to get rich quick. I really need this income. And I'm like, huh? Like, bro, I'm a millennial, and I've been here for years, and I did not get to where I'm at by not having a job. Like, I had to have a job. I was working DoorDash, McDonald's, you name it. Like, I didn't get to where I'm at by not putting in the work. But those people with small accounts, they tend to be desperate to get rich quick, so they won't bother with the NVIDIA swing trading 100% win rate strategy. Like, I could give this strategy away, and people aren't going to use it because they don't have the patience for it. But I even showed I showed them, I'm like, look, this is what's possible. You just got to be patient and disciplined. But, the point is, all you need is one stock. Whether it's AITX and you are abusing the bottom, or NVIDIA and you're just buying the dip. That's the secret to making money in the markets. Literally just abuse the pattern that a stock likes to show. It reveals its hand, so to speak. And once it does that, just abuse it. That's really what it is. So, there you go. I hope a lot of you make a lot of money. This is almost too easy, right? Like I have this thing called imposter syndrome. Every now and then I get imposter syndrome because I'm like, no way this is real. Like, how is this possible? Am I a fraud? Am I somehow, how am I getting 100% win rate on some of these stocks? How? This doesn't make sense. I should be losing technically, right? Because most traders lose, right? Or something like that. Then again, that's for day trading, maybe not for swing trading. I don't know. All right. I'll see you in the next one.